taken me hours to get to this, and I still don't entirely understand why it's worked. But the essence of the problem is quite easy to demonstrate using a cube. This is using the Carver add-on. Do my start point there, end point down there. Now we've got a hole. Great. So that's the starting point. Given this is a destructive cut, or I've got a more complex thing and I can't easily just do an undo, fill in these sides, and then having done that, I want to remove all evidence of the edges. So I'm going to do I've selected the 3 adjacent edges there, do a fill and go around the back, do the same again, select the 3 adjacent edges, do a fill, and finally these 2 opposite edges, do a fill, and that's great. Start. And this is where things just weren't happening, is right click, dissolve edge, no. Right click, delete edge, no. More experienced people will be looking at this thinking, you moron, that's not what you do. So none of that solved it. So there are our edges that we want to delete, and we saw that just selecting one, doing a dissolve edges just doesn't work. So if I go to select by trait, interior faces, I need to Google what the hell an interior face actually means, and then do a right click and then a dissolve edges, that's gone. Interestingly, the back one has gone as well, and now I can probably do a right click and a dissolve edges down here. That's too much. Okay, not that one then. Say I do that and a dissolve edges. Yeah, that's it. So select the 2 down there and do a dissolve edges. For my actual problem, it might be a bit more complex, but I was just struggling to get anywhere there.